Hello everybody, small video to show you how to change, how to replace the door mirror glass from 98 to 03 Saab 900 and 9.3. So this one is removed from the door because I broke mine and I ordered that one used already. So I will put back tomorrow, but I want to show you how to change that glass and also how to remove the cover at the back. Allez, let's go. Obviously your mirror will be fit on your car, so gently push the mirror in the direction of inside the car until the end, after there is a resistance anyway. So you keep pushing that mirror, use a screwdriver, and you pull up gently the mirror to unclip it. See? Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is no attach inside or something to block. The mirror is just clips inside. So if you pull up gently, it's quick to do. So now to remove the cover at the back, first of all we will unplug the heater. Of course, careful also because it could be blocked because of the age. To remove the cover, so I must to unscrew the 4 crossing screws here. I did already the 4. And after is to remove the shell, but careful because at the back, fold your mirror, and see at the back there is also a clip. So you must remove that clip to remove the shell, the plastic cover, the front plastic cover. Okay, and after, so don't worry, I'm sure you will break one pin like me. Anyway, it's like that kind of shell you put one time but you never remove. So see what I told you, there is one broken. So just you push the 2 pins and you push the cover and you hold also. I will put glue after, anyway, no choice. See? I wanted to remove that shell because mine is broken, of course. And I want to cover with the fake carbon film. I will show you in another video. So that's why I wanted the shell and the complete mirror. So I will show you how I will put back after, because I think I need to glue or to find something to hold. put back the mirror, it's really simple. First of all, of course, you plug the heater mirror, the wiring for the heating. Never mind the way, there is no way anyway. And after, just you present your mirror. And you push. That's it.